Tired of waiting days for your crypto to hit your bank account? Ever wish you could just instantly get your funds from Coinbase into a service you already use every single day? Well, you're in luck, because today, we're going to break down exactly how you can withdraw your cash from Coinbase directly to your PayPal account. This is one of the fastest and most convenient ways to access your money, and we'll show you the simple, step-by-step process. First things first, you need to have a verified Coinbase account with a cash balance. That means you've already sold your crypto for your local currency, like US dollars or euros. If you haven't done that, you'll need to sell your crypto first. Just go to your assets, select the crypto you want to sell, and convert it to cash. Once you've done that, you're ready for the next step. Now, we need to link your PayPal account. On the Coinbase website or app, head over to your settings or profile and look for the Payment Methods section. From there, you'll see an option to add a payment method. Select PayPal, and you'll be prompted to sign in and authorize the connection. Make sure the name on your PayPal account matches the legal name on your Coinbase account to avoid any issues. This is a crucial step for security and verification. Once your PayPal account is linked, the rest is incredibly simple. Go to your cash balance on Coinbase. It will be listed under your assets as a currency like USD. From there, you'll see an option to withdraw or cash out. Select that. Now, you'll be asked where you want to send the funds. Choose your newly linked PayPal account from the list. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, review the details, and hit confirm. And that's it. In most cases, the transfer is instant. This is a huge advantage over traditional bank transfers, which can take days. Keep in mind there might be a small fee for the convenience of this instant transfer, so always check the preview screen before you finalize the transaction. You'll also want to be aware of any daily withdrawal limits that might apply to your account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.